people of you. My name is Nadia. My name is Nadia. And my name is Evil Twin of Nadia, but Evil Twin is silent, so. Wait a second, and hold my chicken at midnight. Did you say evil? Why, yes indeedy. What makes you evil? The mustache. The gun. That gun is fake. Well, I can do this. Oh, come on, Evil Twin. Yes, my spicy lamb chop. You know I can do that, right? Holy pantalones! No way. Show me. How? The new app, put fire in your hand. Duh. Hello? Rude. Oh, sorry, I was playing this new app called, Flappy Bird? Here, try it. Thanks, Twin. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Remember to be yourself and don't try to be anybody else. Good?